Are you tired of a messy camp kitchen box? Check out how I transformed a simple mini toolbox into the ultimate camp kitchen setup. Ta-da! Here's the timestamps for the video. We have a USB-C rechargeable motion detection light with brightness adjustment. Next, we have magnetic measuring spoons for both spices and liquids. These measuring spoons store perfectly. And a collapsible measuring cup. This compact cutting board fits perfectly, saving precious counter space. Next, I have this folding locking chef's knife made by Tack Ray. I really like this 10-inch Tack Ray folding chef's knife. It locks, it has a great grip that works well when your hands are wet, and I don't hit my knuckles when I chop food. Now let's look in the first drawer. There are two different containers in here, a mini spice kit and a cutlery container. I made this with a Dollar Tree pencil box and glass containers. This is one of the 4 mini spice kits that I made in the video just previous to this one.
I got my inspiration for this from YouTuber Frugal RV Gal, so check out her channel. You know, when you're out camping, I don't know how many times I've left my fork and spoon inside and knife. So I have a couple of Opinel picnic knives here. Love these. So for the second drawer, this one's deeper. One of the things I wanted to do in this kit is make it so I'm not, moving a whole bunch of stuff to get to something else. I like to be able to reach in and get what I need. First of all, I have a silicone spatula. I got that at Dollar Tree, a little spoon from Dollar Tree. This I absolutely love. It's one of my most used tools, both here at base camp and while we're camping. This is from ThermoWorks. They come in lots of colors. They make a bunch of these silicone tools in addition to thermometers, which is how I first found them. This is a great digital thermometer and highly recommend. You can also switch it to Celsius. So there's the name of it, Thermopop 2. And I have a pair of tongs. These are the OXO mini tongs. These are fantastic. They're kind of obscured. I've never seen them in a store. I did get these from Amazon. Anything I have links for, I'll put in the comments. These are long spoons. I use these for the meals and bag. And I have a Victorinox knife sharpener. I like to have that out just in case. I also have a Victorinox serrated knife, also locking picnic knife. They make these in the straight blade too. Love this knife. I use a straight blade version of this at home basically every day. I love things that have lemon in them, lemon chicken, etc. So this is a spice grater. You could do nutmeg, etc., Parmesan cheese, and there's actually 2 of those in here. So one of them for larger items, like a little ribbon zest, and the fine zest. These are from Microplane, and they also fit on a wide mouth canning jar, so you can put it on there and grate whatever you want to if need be, but I use them by themselves. A USB-C to USB-A charging cord that works for my light and all kinds of other things. I've needed that so many times. I just leave one in here now. I use this little ace envelope to keep these military style can openers in just because they're sharp. And finally, my Swiss Champ that I've had for 35 years. I love this knife. I find that I constantly use this when we're at camp for kitchen task, actually. And so maybe I'll do a separate video on it.
Let's measure the drawers.
It's about 8.5 wide. You'll notice you can fully reach in this drawer. At the end of November, Harbor Freight changed over these. I had bought one a couple weeks before that did not fully extend it. It only came out to about here, but now these fully extend. This extends like 4 3/8, which is fantastic.
Looking at the green box, you can see that I can easily remove the spices from the back. Definitely not as easy with the old style. Be sure to watch until the end and I'll show you the second configuration, as well as some cool accessories.
And depth of the drawer itself is about 2.25 inches. And then this drawer, it's about 1.25. And these foam liners come with the toolbox. They are removable. These drawers are also removable, but there's little black flippy things on the side that you can flip and remove the drawer. So if you wanted to make your own little dividers in here, you could. And then you can just line these up and just slide it back in. And it'll lock back in. And that's it. This side pushes down, and this side lifts up to open.
Now let's check out a second configuration.
In case you wanted to have more spices or a larger amount than what's in here, you could also use the bottom drawer for spices. I'm able to fit 12 of the McCormick small bottles in here, which is a lot of spices. So you could kind of turn this into a real spice box. Now I've fit everything in here that I had before except for these 2 containers. I'm of course not putting these small spices in, I'm putting the big ones in. And I've also put everything that's in here. I did have to stack some, so let's see what I had to do. First of all, I put the little military can openers in here, as well as my USB-A to USB-C charger. Up top, it's the same. I did add that third measuring spoon that used to be in here. And I've put the graters up here. And then for this second drawer, I had to stack everything. Before I was able to easily reach in and get things, but this still isn't bad if you want to have a lot of spices. Now let's accessorize this mini toolbox. One thing you can do is add half of a paper towel holder. These work great in the garage or in the van to hold paper towels. Put a roll there. You could actually put a dowel to hold this better because these are screwed in. You can also, here's a cup holder. I can put my ball of olive oil there while I'm cooking. Or I could just add my drink there. Of course, you can also put them on the back. Paper towels I think will fit up here, so let's try that. So that works great. I'll show you these on the lid, but you can definitely put them on the back. And this is heavy enough that it doesn't hump over. So hey, who knew? I've seen people actually put casters on these. I haven't done that yet, but you know, you never know. Here's another one from my garage. Hey, look at that. Now we're double loaded. Oil for cooking, beverage to help us through it, paper towels. Open it up.
Since I'm going to be carrying this mini check box in and out of the camper, I wanted to have a handle. So I made one. I made it using 1-inch webbing and buckles from Ace Hardware. I had fun making the colorful handle cover with some paracord from Michael's craft store. I did sew the two pieces of webbing together at the top under the handle just to make it so it didn't move around too much on me. And then I um, looped over a couple of the ends on the top of the buckles just to make it easier to grab the webbing when I wanted to adjust it. So there you have it, a great mini chuck box made from a mini toolbox ready for a picnic or to go camping.
Bye for now.
Check out these other camp kitchen videos.